What if creating a cinematic video was as easy as typing a sentence? No cameras, no complicated editing software, and no hours spent rendering footage. Just describe your idea, press a button, and watch AI transform it into a fully animated scene. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're testing a tool that promises exactly that. In this video, we're exploring Domo AI, a powerful AI creative platform designed to generate videos, produce images, and edit visual content all from a single dashboard. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, designer, or simply someone interested in AI creativity, this platform offers multiple tools that can help turn ideas into polished visuals within minutes. So let's jump in and see how it works. After signing up through the link in the description, you'll arrive at a clean and well-organized dashboard. The interface is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, so finding the right tools takes only a few seconds. At the top of the page, you'll notice three main sections: AI video, AI image, and AI editing. Each category contains different tools for generating and improving visual content. Let's begin with the AI video generator, which is one of the core features of the platform. When I open the AI video section, the first option I'll try is text to video. For this example, I'll enter the following prompt. Prompt: a cinematic drone shot flying over a tropical island at sunrise. Turquoise waves crashing against cliffs, palm trees moving in the wind, golden sunlight reflecting on the ocean, dramatic cinematic lighting. Before generating the video, I'll click the AI Optimize option. This feature automatically improves the prompt so the AI can generate more detailed and visually impressive results. Next, I'll choose the V2.4 Advanced model, adjust the video duration, and select the aspect ratio depending on where the video will be used. Now, I'll click Generate and wait for the system to process the request. After a short moment, the AI finishes rendering the scene. The result looks surprisingly cinematic, with smooth motion, detailed lighting, and natural camera movement. From here, you can download the clip, regenerate new variations, or store it directly in your project library. Let's test another feature called Image to Video. This tool allows you to animate a still image and turn it into a dynamic video scene. For this example, I'll upload a photo of a desert landscape and add the following prompt. Animate the desert scene with sand slowly blowing across the dunes, a warm sunset sky changing colors, distant birds flying overhead, and a gentle cinematic camera movement moving forward. After clicking Generate, the AI begins analyzing the uploaded image and applying motion effects to different parts of the scene. Within moments, the static picture transforms into a moving environment with realistic animation and atmosphere. This feature can be extremely helpful for social media creators, storytellers, or advertisers who want eye-catching visuals without recording new footage. Another interesting tool available in Domo AI is the Talking Avatar feature. This feature allows you to turn a simple image or video into a character that speaks on screen. To start, upload the image or video you want to animate. Next, upload the voiceover audio that the avatar will speak.
I highly recommend using Domo AI. It's designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient.
This could be narration, a presentation, or even dialogue. After that, enter a prompt describing how the avatar should behave while speaking. Then, select the video duration and the aspect ratio. Finally, click the Generate button. The platform processes the data, synchronizes the audio with facial movements, and produces a talking avatar video that you can preview immediately.
I highly recommend using Domo AI. It's designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. And once you start using it, you'll realize how much simpler managing videos can actually be.
So, that's a quick overview of some of the powerful features available in Domo AI. By combining video generation, image creation, and smart editing tools into one platform, it simplifies the entire content creation process. Instead of switching between multiple apps, creators can produce professional visuals from a single workspace. If you'd like to try Domo AI yourself, you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tools and creative tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.